World of Monster Car. Dunia mobil monster.
Gravedigger, the legend. Dragon, the raging fire, with its fearsome Bad Company, the ultimate warrior, a beast built for maximum destruction. Known for pushing limits, Max D executes Earthshaker, the groundbreaker, designed to shake the earth. This powerhouse monster truck.
Number 1. Dragon.
Dragon, the raging fire. With its fearsome dragon design and blazing intensity, Dragon stuns the audience with its high-flying stunts, powerful landings, and an unstoppable presence.
Number 2. Max D.
Max D, the one and only maximum destruction. Known for pushing limits, Max D executes breathtaking backflips and mind-blowing spins, proving why it's one of the most feared trucks on the track.
Number 3. Bad Company.
Bad Company, the ultimate warrior. A beast built for destruction, Bad Company dominates with bone-crushing crashes, massive jumps, and unrelenting power.
Number 4. Zombie.
Zombie, the undead terror. With its creepy outstretched arms and menacing grin, Zombie commands the arena with unbelievable drifts, insane jumps, and chaotic flips.
Number 5. His Hacker.
Earthshaker, the groundbreaker. Designed to shake the earth, this powerhouse monster truck delivers massive jumps and thunderous landings that send shockwaves through the crowd.
Number 6. Avenger.
Avenger, the fearless competitor. Sporting a classic hot rod look, Avenger is all about high-risk, high-reward jumps and spectacular mid-air tricks.
Number 7. Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder, the storm on wheels. Moving like a lightning bolt, Blue Thunder tears across the track at electrifying speeds and delivers breathtaking aerial stunts.
Number 8. Bakugan Dragonoid.
Bakugan Dragonoid, the fire-breathing warrior. Inspired by the Bakugan universe, this truck is as fierce as it looks, performing precise flips and massive air jumps.
Number 7. Velociraptor.
Velociraptor, the prehistoric speedster. With a design modeled after the lightning-fast Velociraptor, this truck pounces into action with quick turns, high-speed runs, and wild style stunts.
Number 10. Exsavator.
Axe the relentless force. Just like a swinging axe, this monster truck comes down hard with powerful jumps and high-energy crashes, showing no mercy to its competition.
Jangan lupa like, subscribe,